Yes, my people, big up on yourself. I don't know what's a New Link there from New Link Production. Well, my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, I'm here to talk about an incident that took place in St.Ann people yesterday because an American Jamaica man is now dead, people. But people, everybody actually wonder how it happened because nobody saw when this man was shot or anything like that. So everybody actually wonder how. So let me explain to you what exactly happened. It is said that a 34-year-old male, right, people, he's an American Jamaican, meaning he's a Jamaican with an American citizenship and everything. But he is originally in Jamaica from a place called Mangawak in St. James, people, in a Montego Bay. So it is said that at about 1 a.m., people at a service station, at a gas station, you understand, saw a car coming. And then they saw the car come, they see the car stop. When them look, them see the car door pull, and them see a man in there suffering from gunshot wounds to his foot. They also saw a firearm inside the car. People, they said that the man just jumped outside of the car. And from there, them call police and everything. Nobody rush the car. When him jump out, him like him dead. You understand? And them call police and them carry him to the hospital where he was pronounced dead and everything. So he got a shot in his feet. Nowhere else on him body. So right now, the police, them a wonder how, and them a try, and the gun was there and everything in the car. So them don't know what happened and or what exactly happened, because the man never get to even talk and say if anybody shoot him or anything like that. So they are conducting their investigation in this because them a wonder how. Well, to me and my thinking about this thing, how it really happens, I think that this man accidentally shot his own self, because I even get the information about the gun, if this gun was a licensed firearm or it was an illegal gun. You understand? The news will give me to me that them found the gun in the car, but to me, he accidentally shot himself in the leg. He tried to pull up at the service station for assistance, and from there, you understand? And maybe, you know, sometime maybe this man have some sickness to like sugar or anything like that, where him lose too much blood to come. Maybe he get the shot for a while, because if anybody know Miami Bay is between Ocho and St.Ann's Bay. You understand? So if he is coming from the Ocho and maybe he could have been out to Duns over there and him get the shot, and by the time if the driver reach the service station, it's too late, him lose a lot of blood. Or if I come from St.Ann's Bay and him reach out to Jackson there, so estate, maybe it's too far, you understand? So blood leak out of him foot and cause him to die. Well, the police are conducting the investigation as of them usually do, which they have to do, because, you know, I mean, a man is dead and everything. But right now, people, I'm saying, you know, some things can just happen sometimes which you not even expect it, or maybe you never expect it. So, just I say, anyone, you know, you have a license for your or anything like that, just be careful, you understand, because you can have it in your waist, so you can maybe they put on the safety pin and, you know what I mean, things say, go up and, you know what I mean, you're dead. Which, I ain't sure if somebody kill him, you understand, but to my perspective, I'm saying, I thought he get a shot in his foot. Some of you and my subscribers, I don't know, it's coming on to the holidays again, and I don't know New Link do it. We have a lot of new things coming for the new year, I don't know, so the live soon come back and things. So we have only a new thing on the agenda for the viewers and the subscribers of New Link Production channel and thing. You understand? As I say, when I start use up the device, then we get in the equipments, then we get the camera, we get everything, but we don't really start use them as yet. We're just waiting for the new year to kick off things in a different way. Understand? Because every year we have a different concept of the way how we deal with things. So we just want enough love, enough respect to all of the viewers, all of the subscribers around the world who stay tuned, who support the New Link Production and the channel. You know what I mean? And just keep on having a blessed day and a productive day, and keep on making it what? Attack. New Link, so that blessing, big up.